is now to see if your home will sell for top dollar. With hundreds of homes sold, I have the expertise to guide you. Is your home prepared to attract top dollar in the market? Are there any necessary upgrades or improvements to maximize its value before putting it up for sale? Hi, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group Dockside. Here we go. Does your home have inviting curb appeal with well-maintained landscaping, including fresh mulch or stones, trimmed flowers, plants, shrubs, and trees? Is it in the need of a new paint job? Is it showing signs of fading from the sun and weather? To get the best return on your property, it's essential to hire a real estate agent who prioritizes getting you top dollar and isn't afraid to offer constructive criticism. Have you taken care of your 3Ds? Decluttering, depersonalizing, and deep cleaning, including the windows, baseboard, and lighting? A thorough cleaning will make all the difference in attracting potential buyers. To get the best return on your property's investment, it's essential to hire a real estate agent who prioritizes getting you top dollar. What about your lot? Can you describe the characteristics of your lot and how it compares to the half-acre lot down the street? It's so important to consider all factors, including the appearance and the smell of a property. It seems unpleasant, but it's true. Many homes have distinct odors, which can be a significant issue for potential buyers. Have you thoroughly compared your home to others on the market, including modern furnishings and staging techniques? It's important to ensure your home presents itself in the best light, as buyers will consider not just the house itself, but the surrounding neighborhood. Let's make sure your home stands out in a positive way. Where do you stand on a scale of 1 to 10 from putting your house on the market? Whether you're ready to sell for top dollar or need to make some changes, this will help you assess your situation. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any concerns, questions, or comments. I'm eager to hear from you. Remember, it's not just a house, it's your home.